So this is going to be a quick review of the ORU Lake Kayak. This kayak weighs just 7.7 kilograms and is their quickest and easiest to assemble. So to show you just how light this kayak is, I'm going to be taking it on a 3-mile hike up to a mountain tarn in the English Lake District. So ORU do make a backpack for this kayak, but I do believe they've missed a trick with it. It holds only the kayak and there's very little room for anything else. And I think one of the benefits of this, for me especially, is the ability to be able to take it wild camping and things like that. So I'd love to see a version of their backpack that's got storage room for some ultralight camping stuff. Admittedly, it'll be a fairly niche product, but I think it really is where the lake shines. So the kayak weighs 7.7 kilograms, and because it is so light, you can take it to places where you just wouldn't ordinarily be able to take a kayak. So for example, right now I'm at a tarn near the top of a mountain in England, and I've just been kayaking around in it. So this kayak really does come into its own with its ability to take it to remote locations. So anyway, I'm going to set it up now and I'll just talk you through. So as you can see, it packs up into a neat little suitcase type thing and doesn't weigh much at all, so you can carry this around. Okay. So there's 2 latches which undo the kayak itself from the suitcase. So one of the things to note about this kayak, even though it is the quickest to set up, it's probably the one that requires the most brute force. So you do need to push quite hard in some of the seams, particularly when you're disassembling it, but it's not too much. And to be honest, I mean, this is almost done now. It really is that quick. So inside is the seat section. This orange section is the seat section. So it just velcros closed and then you pop it open and then there's the seat. All right. So there's not a great deal of padding on this one, so the whole point in this is that it's just ultralight. You can get an upgraded version of this that has a more comfortable seat, but to be honest, when I'm taking it to places like this, I'm not going to be out for too long, so this seat's more than adequate. And this just slots in at the bottom, so I'll do that now. So once you put that in place, all you do now is just close the front and the rear of the kayak, and that's done with these little straps. So just pop that loosely for now. So for the rear, you push it into the corner of this little strap and then you click it together. And I'll just tighten that one now. Now the seat itself is brought forward by 2 straps with buckles that connect to the kayak itself. And what this does is this gives you some support on the back there. As you can see, it conforms to your back quite nicely. So what you do now, you bring these 2 pieces of plastic in together, making sure that this side sits underneath the other one. So I'll bring that in there. And once you've done that, you can bring the strap around. And then on this one, bring it over again. Once you've done that, give it a little bit more of a tighten. And as you can see on the back here, you've got like an interesting V shape. And this is brought in together by using these 2 straps. One last step is to bring these 2 straps in at the back, which help bring the kayak in together. And that's it now, the kayak's fully built. There are 2 additional straps here, which is for an optional footrest. I didn't bring the footrest today because I'm taking it up to a mountain, so I just wanted it to be as light as possible. So as you can see now, it's all built, and if I just lift it up, you can see what it looks like on the inside. It is crazy, crazy light. Look at that. Without a doubt, one of the most impressive things about these kayaks is the fact that you can take them to locations like this. So as you saw before, it only takes about 2 minutes to set this kayak up. With it weighing only 7.7 kilograms, you can take it to very remote areas, which I do keep saying, but I've really got to stress how good that is.